Rhys, lawr yr asgell I Baker. Baker yn ôl I Rhys. Y groesiad ag at Will Evans. Ond penio'n syth at Pearson. Clark I George Harry. Les Davies yn cynnig I hun. O'r sotliad o drwy goesa Woolrich. Clark! Lang lawr i'w dde I arbed. Will Evans. Chwarae hi Baker. Allan I Rhys. Rhys tuag at y postyn pella. Clark yn rhyw hanner clirio. Baker I Will Evans. Ond ar o'r postyn. Wel, am gol y fysa honna di bod. Do gyn Pearson, i'm gobaith. Les Davies, ond methu ar reoli'r bel. Rhys. Edwards, Seb Edwards. Be di'r dacl yna ar Charlie Corsby? Mae honna'n wyll, ond cerdyn melyn yn unig sy'n cael ei ddangos gan Cheryl Foster. Toby Jones yn ei chlirio hi gyn bellad ag Emlyn Lewis. Elliot Evans. Owen. Ac yn cael ei darfod gan Charlie Corsby. 4 munud ar 20 wedi mynd, mae Met Caerdydd ar y blaen. Evans, y sotliad yn hyfryd gan Owen. A Corsby gwneud y gweddill. Rhys I Baker. Jay Gibbs, cael digon amser I glirio. O, diolch yn gwneud hynny. Mae'r bel yn rhydd I Harry Owen. I gornel ycha'r hwyd. A mi roedd hi'n gol dda gan Harry Owen, ond ben y byd o Jay Gibbs yn unweud. Amddiffyn erchyll unwaith eto. Evans. Will Evans yn disgyn. Elliot Evans. McCarthy I Chris Baker. Digonedd o le i'r gydio ac yn gwneud hynny. Ac I gornel yr hwyd. Ac mae ar ben ar y tîm cartre bellach. Chwip o ergyd gan Chris Baker, 3 pwynt gwbl heddiannol.
Christian, you've got to be happy with that 3 points today.
Yeah, fantastic performance, very professional I thought. We knew we had a long day, very, very long day, and it was making sure that we mentally were right for the game as well as physically, and I felt we were physically right, but the mentality had to be right throughout the game, windy conditions, etc. And we really caused them a problem in the first half. They had a very strong wind in their favour, but we get the 2 goals, and I thought we were very good for the 2 goals. And then really second half was about containing them, and we boxed them in, and we got the 3rd goal that we wanted. And really, that was the game really done and dusted at about 65 minutes, and we probably could have gone and scored more. Really, we were under no threat whatsoever. But very, very pleased with our boys, and then fantastic performance.
We started very well. We knew they were a good team, and they're on a good bit of form at the minute. On the back of beating Ballard and Barry comfortable, we knew it was going to be a big game, and things just aren't going our way at the minute. I'd like to see the replay again, because I think there's a foul on Les Davies in the build up to the first goal. Obviously the second goal's an individual error, and then 2-0 down at half time against a really good informed team like Cardiff is always going to be an uphill battle with the conditions against us in the second half. It's always going to be a huge ask, and I thought we did improve after the break. Again, we're huffing and puffing at the minute. Same problems as last week, where on the day our end product has probably not been good enough. Our endeavour in the final third hasn't been good enough, and we've got to address it. And we've got a couple of weeks now to address these issues. So, and the lads are in there. They're hurting. They are hurting, and we're not giving up. But we've got to learn to be a bit more resilient, I think, because in the short time that I've been here, I noticed that if we go a goal down, a second's usually on the way, not long after, and we've got to respond more positive, quicker to negative situations, and that's resilience, and we need to learn that, and we need to learn it quickly.
I adeg ymadferth, mae ganddo ni'r Welsh Cup wan, yn erbyn Llangefni, felly'n dipyn bach o cwprwn. Ac yna, da ni yn aros am pwy da ni chwarae yn February, ond da ni'n golau edrych ymlaen, edrych i fyny a trio ennill gem yma.
So dal I gwffio felly?
Ia, dyna'r unig beth da ni'n gorau wneud, dal I gwffio, dal I trio'n gorau, oherwydd does na'm diffyg effort yn y stafell newid na. Mae ganddo ni gyd gwybod heart yn y gêm, a da ni yn trio'n gorau, felly mae'n bwysig i ni cadw'n panau fyny a mynd yn y gêm nesaf.
So it's a matter now of looking forward to the final next weekend.
Yeah, looking forward to that. It's been on in the back of our mind, you know, for a few weeks now, and finally we can start to speak about it and think about it. It's going to be a really tough game. We've had them watched again today against Halford West, and the report has been very, very good. So we're under no illusions how tough it's going to be. But we look forward to going to the cup final. We seem to be fit, we seem to be healthy. Adam Ross will be back for next week, and then the squad really is thick and strong, and it's about us making sure that we're mentally right. Can we treat Canberra and Clydach like TNS? Can we make sure up for them like we are for the TNS games, the Connors Key games, so that we give them 100% respect that they deserve? And I think if we do that, then I think we'll put a very good performance in.
You're on a good run of form, so there's no doubt that you are the favourites.
Absolutely. It's about managing expectations. It's about managing that favourites tag. We've been there a few times in the past, but as you say, we've got momentum. We've won 3 games. Scored 9 goals, keep 3 clean sheets, so we're in good form. But form means nothing in cup finals. We've just got to make sure that we turn up on the day, mentally, physically right, and apply ourselves in the right way. And if we do that, I think we'll be very, very favourable in the game, shall I say.
Mae dyn ni'n neud dda iawn ers y blwyddyn newydd, mae boys yn dod nôl. A dyn ni'n edrych mlaen yn y ffeinal wythnos nesaf.
Ie, yr ffeinal, hwnna'n wythnos fawr i chi ac yn ben wythnos fawr, dwi'n siŵr bod chi gyd yn sbio ymlaen.
Wrth gwrs, ond heddi oedd y pwysica, 3 gol, dim ildio dim un, a wedyn symud ymlaen i wythnos nesaf, dyn ni'n barod i fynd. Dyn ni edrych, dyn ni wedi cael pobl edrych ar Cameron Clydach wythnos yma, wythnos cyn ni. A maen nhw'n tîm da, a bydd rhaid ni tretw nhw efo pob parch bosib, a gobeithio bydd yn gêm dda, bydd yn fuddugol yn diwedd.
Ie, yn amlwg chi ydy'r ffefr yna, ond all rhywbeth ddigwydd mewn ffeinal.
Wrth gwrs, ffeinal, cwpan, gall unrhyw beth digwydd. Os da ni'n treitio nhw fel TNS, neu Connors Key, neu Barry, neu unrhyw tîm arall yn y gyngrair, dylwn ni fod yn iawn. Ond os mae unrhyw fath o amharch atyn nhw, bydd nhw mewn trwbl, ond gobeithio bydd hynny ddim yn digwydd.